Hello everyone, we are the members of Lamyanbe Irabot Memorial Integrated Trust Limit, and we are here in Delhi to announce that we are going to start our protest, our hunger strike from tomorrow onwards, since the government still fails to pay heed to the needs and the demands of the Manipur people and to restore the territorial integrity of Manipur. And so I requested all the Meitei who stay within the state and who stays outside to join hands and to help and to support us, and let us fight for the cause, and especially to all the trans community who resides in various parts of this nation and worldwide. I requested to give us support. Any form of support is acceptable, and we join hands together. Thank you.
Aduna akhoi changsalakadoriba thabak thabamsing asigi makha tarakba saruk ama oina akhoi laudana khongdana matam asukui base laklaba sifawada India gi Prime Minister na tabidrabani na hojikti tumduna lairiba India gi Prime Minister se akhoi na hogdoksanabagi damakta akhoi gi Delhi gi tongan mafamsing da hunger strike jauna akhoi Delhi Manipur Coordinating Committee ga khusamnaraga amadi mafam asida lairiba maite isil nausing ga puna khusamnaraga akhoi tumduna lairiba India government se hogdoknabagi damakta akhoi Khongjang Chngsingadwre sem chaba loijare maram aduna laibiriba mipum khudimak na support tawbiyu maruoina maite community singna ahemba support pibibaga loinana hayengdagi haugadoriba hunger strike ki Khongjang asidasu mapung phana support pinabiyu makhatana changsalakadoriba Khongjang singdasu miyamgi support ka loina changjelminare harakanda issue ase amungtang laisinanaba honabada miyamgi lawham thokpa thodang adu puna lawminase haba wafamse thamsari.
On this upcoming 28th February, there will be an state assembly session, and still within the state assembly session, if the India government fails to pay importance and forecast to the issues in Manipur, that is to restore peace in Manipur, then we as a trans community, we cannot stay our mouth deaf and dumb, and so we are going to take certain kind of protests so that the India government should pay attention, to pay heed to the territorial integrity of Manipur. And I, as a representative of trans community, I would like to draw attention to all the people in the world to give us support, that we as the indigenous people of Manipur, we need your help so as to restore the territorial integrity of our state Manipur. Thank you.